If you've lost access to your Facebook account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Facebook login page. Go to the Facebook login page and click on Forgotten Password. This will take you to the recovery options where you can start the process of regaining access to your account. Step 2. Identify your account. Enter your email address or phone number associated with your Facebook account. Facebook will search for your account and provide options for recovery. Make sure to select the correct account if multiple options appear. Step 3. Choose a recovery method. Select how you would like to receive the recovery code. You can choose to receive it via email or SMS. Click Continue after making your selection and check your email or phone for the code. Step 4. Enter the recovery code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field on the Facebook recovery page. If the code is correct, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password. Step 5. Secure your account. After resetting your password, Facebook may prompt you to review recent activity and secure your account. Follow the instructions to log out of any devices you do not recognize and enable two-factor authentication for added security. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Facebook account and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Always remember to monitor your account for any unusual activity.